The flood of year 2022 is being declared as the worst flood in country's history. In this natural calamity, hundreds of valuable lives were perished. On one side, helplessness, hunger, and poverty were born in the affected areas. On the other side, their crops and livelihoods were also destroyed. Property, livestock, and houses were all lost in the flood. A couple of days ago, preacher of Shubban Nubuwwat, Maulana Khuda Bakhsh Sumro Sahab, came with his team and suffered a lot of hardships while visiting those remote areas where there were no roads. Alhamdulillah, today due to this visit, provisions, clothes, crockery, etc. have been distributed to 100 people. And Alhamdulillah, we are fully satisfied by the service of Shubban Nubuwwat as how they have served our people regimentally. We made the detailed lists according to the tokens that were given from the Shubban team. We composed separate lists with respect to every village and distributed tokens to everyone. And you witnessed that there was no mismanagement. People came calmly and took their commodities with the bundle of prayers. We also pay gratitude to the people who have assisted you. We don't know which areas of Pakistan do they belong, but their given sustenance and other stuff is now being distributed to the needy and destitute. We direly need people like you. With the passion to serve humanity, the volunteers of Shubban Welfare Trust went into action to help their brothers in this hour of difficulty. They distributed the necessities of life to thousands of flood-affected families. Numerous families in the affected areas are still waiting for your help. Come along and assist the affectees. Please support Shubban Welfare Trust in this mission. Shubban Welfare Trust, Pakistan.